going, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be continuing the Java Intermediate series and then continuing with abstract classes. So data abstraction provides the outside world with only essential information in a process of representing essential features without including implementation details. A good real world example is like a book. When you hear the term book, you don't know the specifics. You don't know the page count, the color, the size, the idea. But you do understand the idea or the abstraction of a book. The concept of abstraction is that we focused on essential qualities rather than specific characteristics of one particular example. In Java, abstraction is achieved using abstract classes and interfaces. An abstract class is defined using the abstract keyword. If a class is declared abstract, it cannot be instantiated. You cannot create objects of that type. To use an abstract class, you have to inherit it from another class. Any class that contains an abstract method should be defined as abstract. An abstract method is a method that is declared without an implementation. For example, without braces followed by a semicolon. So it would essentially be abstract void walk, and this would be an abstract method right here. A class containing an abstract method is an abstract class. 100% true. For example, we can define our animal class as abstract. So the animal class. So abstract class animal, int legs equals 0, abstract void make sound. So the make sound method is also abstract as it has no implementation in the superclass. We can inherit from the animal class and define a make sound method for its subclass. So for example, if we still extend the animal class, we can still make the method say meow. Now, every animal makes a sound, but each has a different way to do it. That's why we define an abstract class animal and leave the implementation of how they make the sounds to the subclasses. This is used when there's no meaningful definition for the method in the superclass. So let's go ahead and practice this. A board game company creates a new board games every year. While all board games have different rules, they also have similar in each. They have a name and a play method. We need to create 3 different games: Monopoly, chess, and battleships. In the play method, Monopoly should print buy all property,